Hi everyone, this is Cindy, the Creator of the Heart, and I'm back with a super cute and fun project. It's a quick one. So I have been, last month I did the challenge for the Not Too Shabby YouTube challenge, and that challenge was to make a lunch bag card, which I did. There's two of the ones that I've made, and I've made these before. This month's challenge is to make a tea-inspired card. So I pulled out my Hammy coffee and tea. Very cute. And I also have little dies for it. So this is my card. Very simple little card. So I used one of the little pieces that came in my Darcy's kit for my card base. It's on a white card base. And then I use my favorite cat scrappiness dies. I use these all the time. They're my absolute favorite. And so I use that for the mat. And then my little Hammy and my cup, I just went ahead and stamped it and colored it in with my Copics. And I know that I wanted to do a little embellishment of my cup. So I'm going to put a little something on the front of that cup. Trying to think of this pink one. So I love these little puffy hearts. I got these. They're reflections. Heart. Oh, it's kind of crooked. I am struggling with that. There we go. It's better. So these are reflections stickers. I use these all the time. They come with a lot, so I've had it for a while. And then the sentiments I just stamped on a piece of scrap, and then I just fishtailed it. And, you know, I love that with a little heart there. And then and it kind of goes with the hearts there. So I just love it. I think it came out really, really cute. So be sure to visit the Not Too Shabby Shop YouTube channel, where you get information about the challenge, as well as I've hashtagged the challenge name up there, so you can click on that and see everybody else who's joined the challenge. And it's just a fun way to use your supplies. I do shop the Not Too Shabby shop quite frequently. So Jamie's shop has a lot of the newest product, but it gets sent out very, very quickly, which I really, really enjoy getting my my goodies in the mail really quickly. So make sure you join the challenge. It's a tea inspired. I'm sure that you've got tea items that you could easily make a quick card with. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creator of the Heart.